Hey y'all, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a blowout, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice voluminous fluffy blowout. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back and I plan on staying, okay? So you better make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, let me know what other videos you guys might be interested in seeing. But we're about to hop right in, okay? So let's hop right into the video. Okay y'all, so as you can see, I'm gonna be working on damp hair, and the first thing that I like to do whenever I'm like blow drying my hair is to just work in sections. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm gonna just divide up my hair just so that it's a bit easier to work with when we start to blow it out. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna detangle the hair as well, just so that when we get to using the round brush, we have a much smoother process and so we don't run into any knots and tangles. I'm gonna be using my Revlon round brush. And when I first started, I was working with a pretty chunky section. I feel like the brush is pretty effective. However, I do feel like obviously when you're working with a chunkier section, it does take longer to dry. So as I go through, you're gonna see me kind of divide this section up into smaller pieces just to make it a bit easier to, you know, blow out the hair and also to give it a much smoother look. As I blow out my hair, I am rotating the brush a lot, and that's just to make sure that I'm giving the hair some body, okay? I definitely want it to have some bounce, and I am going in at all different angles just to make sure that I get like every strand dry and blown out. But yeah, I definitely wanted some volume, so I do like to rotate and, you know, give it a little bit of bounce. This is what the hair was looking like once I finished that section. And I'm basically just gonna continue that process throughout my entire head. As you can see, I am taking a smaller section on this side, like I said before, just to make it a bit easier to blow out. And just to give me a much smoother process. And I also feel like it's much quicker when you work with smaller sections because the hair just dries a lot faster. So yeah, I just go ahead, repeat that same process, but just moving forward, working with smaller sections of hair. So at this point, you guys see me shaking out the hair a little bit, and that was just to cool it down in between passes. There's 3 settings on this brush. You have cool, low, and high, and I kept it on low for the entire time. But you know, it can get a little hot, so I just like to cool down my hair a little bit by shaking it. This was what the bottom half looked like, and I loved it. As you can see, the ends look real nice and bouncy, and that's exactly what I was going for. So yeah, we're gonna finish up the hair. Another thing that I actually really like about this brush is like right above the brush, you see me holding it to help me rotate it a little bit. And I really like that because it gives you a better grip and it allows you to have a lot more control over the brush to get the style that you want. So I'm doing the last strand and I was burning up, you guys. It was so hot. It literally took me hours to finish blow drying my hair because I really have a lot of hair and my hair is thick. So it took me hours, and you can literally tell because you can see that it's getting darker. Like in the beginning of the video, it was so bright outside and it's literally turning to evening as the video goes on. But we're almost done. Okay, you guys, so this is when I completely finished blowing out my hair, and this is what it looked like. I loved it. I feel like it looks really, really cute, but I did want it to have a bit more volume. I did think it was cute. You definitely can leave it like this, but I decided to go in with some velcro rollers. I bought these from Sally's. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off the front part of my hair, and I did blow dry it again just to give it a little more extra bump, you know what I'm saying. What I will say, you guys, is these rollers that I used, it did not work like how I thought it was gonna work. Like, I thought it was Velcro, and I thought that, you know, since it's Velcro, you don't gotta use no clips or anything like that. But you guys, I don't know if I just added too much hair to it, or I just didn't do it the right way. I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comments. But look, it just fell out. So I ended up having to use clips anyway. But you know, we made it work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it up and secure it with my clip. And then I'm just gonna take my hair down and just put the rollers, you know, all over my head. I went in with some hairspray just to, you know, give it a little more hold so that when I take down the rollers, you know, the volume will be a little more secure. And after about 15 minutes, I went in and I took down the rollers, and I was actually surprised at how they worked. I feel like they definitely gave my hair some extra va-va-voom, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take down all of the rollers.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you were...
So at this point, I was basically just playing around with the hair, you know, and sectioning it off to see how I wanted to wear it. And I just love how fluffy it looks. Personally, I prefer the blowout. I'm not really like, you know, the pin straight silk press look is cute, but I just love how airy and effortless and bouncy a blowout looks. And the round brush definitely gave me the results that I was looking for. I just think it's so cute. It looks effortless, and yeah, it's nice. But that's pretty much it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.